Hi guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be doing the in or out slime challenge. And there's also going to be a giveaway, so how I enter is you have to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below what you're going to be finding me. And what you can win is this squishy. And if you don't want that, I'll put something else up. So let's get on with it. And guys, I am going to be talking while doing this because I don't know how to type. If that's okay.
Okay, like squad training. Sure, that'll do.
You're in if you have blue eyes.
Oh, he's already got one.
You're out if you have a dog. You're out if you like the color pink. You are out if you hate the color green. You're in if you like Harry Potter. You're out if you are going to you're going to be something scary. You're in if you're back in if you have socks on. You're out if you like Jojo Siwa. You're out if your favourite Harry Potter character is Hermione. You're out if you have your ears pierced. You're back in if you have green eyes. You're back in if you go out with someone. You're back in if you're out if you have a YouTube channel. You're out if you hate cats. You're out if you hate Jojo Siwa. You're back in if you like the colour red. You're out if you have a slime collection. You're out if you have made slime before. You're back in if you have a slime. You're out if you like the colour purple. You're out if you have a Sniggle backpack this year. You're back in if you love slime. You're out if you don't like slime. You're back in if you have a TikTok account. You are out if you have an older brother.
very
if you like
No. No.
the Norse nuts. You're back in
Oh.
if you
We're gonna have to dab on people with the score, guys.
if you've ever went
We may have to dab on some people if we score.
to
Come on.
Disneyland.
There's so many people.
Or if you're going to Disneyland.
No. Yeah.
You're out
The
if
back.
you hate
Look how many people he's got. What the fuck was that?
school.
Five.
You're out if
Oh my god, he's through. Why did I take so
you
long?
don't
Go on.
like
Go on.
fluffy slime.
No, okay.
You're back in if you like the colour
No,
yellow.
I passed that. I'm 1,000,000,000,000,000,000% past that. Exactly. Make a tackle.
You're back in it if you like
Guys,
Pokemon.
how am I-
You're out of your
Yeah,
favourite
draw. What was that?
Pokemon is
I'm getting a little bit
Pikachu.
touched right now.
You are
He's just
out
got everyone.
if you do not like zoos.
There you go. There you go. No.
You're back in if you have
I
been
didn't
to
fake
a
that.
zoo.
I didn't fake shot that.
You're out if you go to any clubs.
Why has that happened? Why is that? Oh no.
You are out if you like Jojo Siwa.
Nice. Okay.
You're back in if you love your friends. Tell me in the comments if you're in or out, and don't cheat, guys. And as I said, please enter the giveaway and you will win this and this now, because I think, yeah. And yeah,
Hold on.
just go please like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.